Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents 2-minute Gutenberg, and in this video I'm going to discuss the uses and output of the classic block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. This block is for those who really miss the old WordPress classic editor. So if you want to get your old classic editor to the Gutenberg, then go to formatting and select classic. You can write your paragraph or your text in this classic block as you used to do previously with the old WordPress without the Gutenberg plugin, of course. So let's see how you used to do this. Is a paragraph, you can select and make it heading or align it to the center. Go to the next line. This is another line of the sentence. I can add multiple lines. I can make them bold. I can make them italic, whatever I want. So let's see what is the output of the thing we just had added to our classic book block. Update and repost. See, your post is updated as you used to do in the old WordPress with the classic editor. If you have any question regarding WordPress, Gutenberg or blog, you can write down in the comment section below. We'd love to reply to your queries. Till then, goodbye.